Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking about a stack. So what is a stack? Well, if you look at the word, we can imagine a stack of pancakes. We have a couple pancakes, and if we keep on adding, sorry for the bad drawing, pancakes on top, then the first pancake that we add, which is the one on the bottom, is the last one that we'll take out. Right? Because the first one that you put in is right on top, and that's where you take it out. And this is exactly the principle of a stack. It's called a last in, first out. So the last one that you put in is the first one that will come out when you take it out. So, how does this work? Well, if we move away from the pancakes, we can store any value, string, integer, and we can put it in. So, let's say if we put a 3 here, then we put a 4, and then what we can do is we can do a pop. If we pop from the stack, then we remove 4 and we get to 3. So, a stack is very useful for storing certain things, and is very useful in certain algorithms because of this mentality. So, one very, very frequent use of this is in function calling. For example, in a recursive function, for example, Fibonacci, we'll have a Fibonacci function, f, calling for 4, if we call it for 4 at the beginning, then 4 will call 3, then 3 will call 2, and then 2 will call 1, where it ends. Then 1's finished, so it gets popped and returns a value. Then 2 finishes, gets popped, and then this finishes, and then it gets popped back to 4, where we then get our answer. There are many other very useful cases where you can use a stack in algorithms, and there's also different ways to implement it. The easiest way is you can just use a vector in C++, and to add it, you just do pushback, and to delete, you just do pop back and pop back. So that's all a stack is. It's a last in, first out data structure. The last one you put in is the first that comes out, and it's very useful. There's another data structure that's similar in nature, except it's a first in, first out, called a queue. I'll have the video linked down below when it comes out, and be sure to watch it, because queues are very useful as well. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.